today we're going to make a digital dice. A dice is something that has 6 numbers on it and it gets chosen randomly. This code has been provided in your booklets, but let's take a closer look. The first thing you're going to need to do is create the variable called number. Then we're going to make 4 different parts to the code. The first part is the typical part where we're going to set that number, that variable, to pick a random between 1 to 6. So every time it shakes, it's going to pick a random number between 1 to 6. And then we forever want it to, if the number is greater than 0, which it always will be, we're going to show the number, and otherwise we're going to clear the screen. So it's always going to show us the number. The other 2 parts are just little helps that help our game playing easier. One is on start, it will set the screen to blank or 0. And the last part is when the screen is turned down or upside down, it's going to set the number to 0. So therefore it's easy for my players of my game to refresh. We're going to do the digital dice. Now, if you remember the code, the dice said that on start, we set the number to 0. And then on shake, it's going to choose a random number between 1 and 6. So that's the digital dice. The last part was when the screen is down. So on screen down, set the number to 0. If I just turn the screen down, it restarts. So shake, there's my random number, and then screen down, goes back to 0.